Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to PC big games. There was an error login in Problem Solve. While trying to access the game, if users encounter the error message, there was an error login in. You can solve the problem by watching the full video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, open the default browser on your computer. I have account in the Epic Game software with Google account, so I'll log into my Google account in this browser. Then open your Epic Game launcher. Select the account option with which you have logged into the Epic Games launcher. Click Continue. Then click Continue. Wait a while. You can see my account is login. If you have any problem logging into your account, please comment. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Thanks for watching.